subscribe to our channel, and hit that like button. Have you ever watched a movie that left you questioning its morality? Let's dive into the controversial 365 Days trilogy, where the first film, 365 Days, sparked a lot of debate. Michele Morrone plays Massimo Torricelli, a mafia boss who kidnaps a woman named Laura Beale. Despite its steamy scenes, the film's storyline is troubling. It's basically seen 2015. The boat scene in the first movie is particularly disturbing. Massimo accuses Laura of the previous night's events, leading to an argument and Laura falling off the yacht. She regains consciousness in a bed with Massimo, who asks, "Why are you so rebellious?" After an apology, they engage in an intimate encounter. While some found humor in it, many were upset by the film's romanticization of abuse and misogyny. The sex scenes throughout the film also raised eyebrows. Cast and crew clarified that no actual intimate moments occurred on screen. Morrone used a prosthetic device for one scene, which caused awkwardness and laughter among the crew. In the sequel, 365 Days That Day, Laura starts to feel neglected and turns to Nacho, the gardener. The third film, the next 365 Days, reveals a twist ending where Laura miraculously reappears, leaving viewers confused. Despite this, Laura ends up torn between Massimo and Nacho. As for a fourth film, there's no solid evidence. It's possible the creators are working on a new story. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,